In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through a clear path from opening Squarespace to adjusting your site's header so it stays visible as visitors scroll. I'll keep it simple and practical, and you can follow along on a desktop for the smoothest experience. Start by heading to the Create Your Website page on Squarespace. This is the quickest entry point into the platform. If you're already familiar with Squarespace, think of this page as your front door. It gets you into the environment where you can access your sites and tools. If you're not signed in yet, that's perfectly fine. We'll do that next. Look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This icon opens your account options. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in here. Use your usual credentials, and if you have extra security set up, follow those prompts as well. Once you're in, the profile menu gives you direct access to your account hub. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to account.squarespace.com, which is the central place for managing everything tied to your account. Think of it as the command center for your websites, billing, and settings. It's especially handy when you manage more than one site, because everything is clearly organized here. Inside the Account Dashboard, click on Website. This section groups the tools and views related to your sites, making it easy to move from account-level settings into site-level editing. You'll see your websites listed so you can quickly get to the one you want to work on. Now select your website to open it, then go to Pages. Enter the editor by clicking Edit. Once you're in editing mode, open Edit Header, then Edit Design, and choose Fixed. Setting the header to Fixed makes it stick to the top of the screen as visitors scroll, which can improve navigation, keep your logo and menu visible, and help people find key links faster. If you're browsing on mobile preview, check that the header feels comfortable and doesn't cover too much content. You can switch between desktop and mobile previews to confirm it looks right. If your template or editor version uses slightly different labels, look for similar options under Header or Design, and the term Fixed or Sticky. The goal is the same. Keep that header anchored as the page moves. That's it. You navigated from the Create Your Website page, used the profile icon to reach your account dashboard, opened the website area, and inside your site, set the header to Fixed through Pages, Edit, Edit Header, and Edit Design. Explore your header's other style options while you're here, and you'll fine-tune the look in no time.